Hey y'all, it's Gina. I am back today. How are y'all? It's rare to see me in a sweatshirt. It is a bit cool. It ain't freezing up here. I tend to keep my house a little bit cooler than a lot of people. I keep my thermostat during the day on like 67, and I'm here all day. And 66 or 67 is perfect. It's not too hot, not too cold. Personally, I'd keep it about like 63, but I'm that hot natured. But anywho, I've got something to cook today. I am cooking some dried beans, dried pinto beans. So I know a lot of people have not ever cooked a dried beans. Most people, if you eat beans or chili or anything like that, a lot of people buy them out of the can. Well, right now, in the middle of a pandemic, I think we might need to know how to make dried beans. Of course, I've been making dried beans since I was a little kid. I probably started cooking when I was I started cooking by myself unattended at 12. So, um, like when I was watching my sister when I was 12 from my parents in the summer, I cooked with no adults even in the house for two people. So, anywho, I washed them. I looked through them. There's no rocks in there. There's no crappy beans in there. And I just washed them off really well. They haven't been soaked overnight. A lot of times people will tell you to soak them. Usually I do. But I did go ahead and wash them off. It's probably now close to 1 o'clock. I can have these done in no time. Probably by 3:30. So anyway, I'm going to and you want to put a whole bunch of water in there. You're rehydrating the beans. So you hear the water running, and it's because we're having to rehydrate the beans. And yeah, there's one dirty plate in my sink right now. And anywho, you want to put the dried beans. Now I'm going to show you. This is my pan with my water to bean ratio. Big difference. You are rehydrating the beans. Normally I put my burner on like high to get it up to a boil. So that my beans will start boiling. Once they boil for a bit, then I will turn the heat down and just kind of keep them at a simmer until they get all the way cooked. But I'm doing this until they get pretty much, cooked. Then I'll just keep them on a simmer for tonight for dinner. But dried beans are super easy. Also, a tip from somebody that's been doing this for a while, do not put salt in at this point. They will need salt, but do not put it in until the beans are thoroughly cooked, or your beans will never get done. Now, I will show you these when they get completely taken care of and completely cooked through. The difference will be quite dramatic. And I'm going to add some stuff in there to make it more like a bean soup and stuff. But anyway, I'll come back when I get to that point. Thank you for watching. As always, God bless you and have a great day. Bye-bye.